Swaminarayan. Now we are calculating the area, okay, with the basis of this unit of area, that is 1 unit is equal to 1 square centimeter area. Okay, so we have just calculated this one. Okay, so let's start the fourth one. Okay, I will start from this square. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 6 square meter 6 square centimeter area. Okay, now next, finding area when whole square are not covered. So see this diagrams first, the area which we have calculated just now. So all the figures have made up of square. Okay, same squares these figures are made up of. But if the figure which we have to calculated the area is not made up of whole square, that means it has half square area in any time. Okay, anywhere. Okay, sometimes it is full and sometimes it is half. So how can we calculate it? So see here, these shapes consist of full squares and half squares. So full square we have to take as 1 square centimeter and half square we have to take as 1/2 square centimeter. Okay. To find the area, count 2 half as 1 square centimeter. Okay. Listen carefully. So we have to calculate it a whole square as 1 square centimeter and half square we have to calculate it as 2 half is equal to 1 square centimeter. Get it? So let's start. Everyone just concentrate in book the figures which are shown in yellow color and I have cursor on it. So first a figure. Okay. So see, half half it makes 1, half half it makes 2, and these 2 halves it makes 3. Otherwise you can say here 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 half means 3 square centimeter. Get it? Next figure, B figure. So first of all we will calculate the whole squares. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, half half 5, and this half half 6. Okay. Next, C figure. How many whole squares are there? This only one. How many half squares are there? This half and this half. It makes full. That means 2 square centimeter. Okay. Now see the D figure. 1 2 3. Okay. 3 squares, and this is half. That is 4 square centimeter. Get it? Okay. Next, you have to write the area below it. Okay. Everyone understand this? Fine. Now see this. We have to calculate this area. So before this, just we read here. Now look at these figures. The figure encloses less than half of the some squares and more than half square. So how will you calculate it? Because we have just know a full square means 1 square centimeter. Half square means we have to take half square centimeter. But if the figure encloses less than half or more than half, so how will you count it? So there are some rules. Here are the rules. Okay, so just underline these 3 lines. Okay, to find the area, count all full square enclosed. When half square or a more square is covered, count it as a whole square. So underline this. And do not count less than half a square. If there is less than half, you have not to count that area, or we have not count that squares. Get it? So let's start. First of all we will calculate the whole squares. 1 2. Okay. Now more than half 3 4. Okay. So just 1 minute. Okay, I'm sorry. 4. Now see this area, pink colored, but only this area. Is it half? No, it is less than half. So we do not count this area. Same here. It is less than half now. So we will not count this area. Clear? Fine. Now let's see this diagram. So first of all we will calculate the whole squares. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. Get it? Now we will calculate it more than half. Okay. This is 4. See this one, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Get it? This area, this one and this one, it is less than half, so we will not count it. Understand everyone? Okay, I purposely write the numbers where whole squares are there, and the area where it is more than half I have just dotted it. Okay, clear everyone? Fine. Next, one more thing you have to see here. This is the darkened lines. This method gives the approximate area. It is not accurate. Do you know the meaning of approximate? Approximate means it is not we can say accurate. It is nearly accurate. Okay, it is not wrong. Approximately means it is nearly accurate but not exactly accurate. Get it? So uh, till now we are discussing about the shapes which are in just regular manners, or we can say in which made up of lines. Okay, now there are some shapes which are not made up of lines, that is not polygons. Okay, they are irregular in shape, such like this figure. So is it made up of lines? No. So how can we count the area of these such figures? So we can use the square paper for this. Okay, so same here, square centimeter grid, that means graph paper. Okay, see here, same rule we have to follow. Once again I will repeat the rule. Whole square we have to take as a 1, then half we have to take as a half square centimeter, then more than half we have counted as a 1, less than half we will not count it. Everyone remember this rule? So let's start. See 1, so it is more than half na, so I have counted it as a 1, 2, 3, 4. This area and this area is not counted. Am I right? Fine. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Clear? Clear everyone? So we have to write here 13 square centimeter. So everyone understand how to calculate the area of shapes which are made up of lines and which have irregular shape. Okay, so let's start exercise 8.1. One more thing, exercise 8.1 you have to solve only in book, don't solve in CW copy. Okay, so let's start. Find the area of each of the following. So it is easy. Okay, so first 1, 2, 3, and this is more than half, that's why I counted as a 4. But this one and this one, it is less than half now, so we will not count it. So what will the area of this first diagram? 4, and please write here square centimeter. Okay, right here square centimeter, I have not mentioned anywhere. Please write here square centimeter.